This is RNA, yo. So you can call me with my name, yo. I am fancy that name, so you can call me. Call me what? Yes. Yes. RNA, yo. I'm sorry, not so sorry. Tak boleh gurau pergi surau. Yeah, RNA in the house now. When you go here, I go there, so let's meet in the mid. Why we always hate each other when we can be made and fight against the world, bad world. RNA in your house, yo, rap starts now. Check your wallet if you ain't have any in it. Let me give you a tip. Tip of what? Tips, tickets to survive. Sorry, we from hood to surf, call Shalom. So be careful with your speech. So everyone, I'm sorry, not so sorry. If you're sorry, please naik jaluri, yo. Tak boleh gurau duduk karau. Yeah, RNA in the house now. RNA in the house now. Now rap macam ini pula aku sekarang banyak yang suka oek bisnes dan politik. Kan aku taiko. Tak boleh perjuangan ini hanya untuk enjoy sampai kaya. Belum kaya jalan sampai jalan lurus tapi nampak bengkok. Semuanya ungkapkan aku ni letih. Letih layan orang yang nak dekat tapi bau macam mau munafik. Kalau aku mau aku kan call. Aku tak call jangan press. Kalau lu press lu tak faham Melayu. Rapping cahaya yang jonet timbu do Malaya. Jogan was suara wan mewan ti mama. Yung jonet timbu do Malaya. Jogan was suara wan mewan ti mama. Okay, bila aku cakap sudah, mari sudah, ending sudah. Yeah. Once more time, guys. RNA, yo, sorry, I'm sorry. No, I'm never feel sorry. If you're sorry, please be bawa lorry.